Smells top notch, I'm not gonna lie. It's freaking beds, man. Ooh, it's got a shimmer in there. Pure black, like my soul. Hi guys, so for today's video, we finally have the long anticipated Lush Kitchen October box. It's a smidge late, everyone was a bit concerned. I don't actually know why it's so late. I think I've heard two reasons. One, because of something to do with the little card you get inside. I think that was misprinted, or somebody said a shortage of ingredients, but I don't know if that was in another country. I'm not sure. I've seen some people get their boxes, but they are in other countries, not the UK. I've only seen people getting their parcels in the UK today. But I got the bath box as per usual. That's what I've always gotten. But seeing people's shower boxes, I am a bit regretting not swapping to a shower box, because the bat scrub looks amazing. The soap I wasn't as excited for, but they just last longer, don't they? I don't know. Next month's box I am sticking with the bath one, but for December I think I might change to a shower one. If you guys switch between the two, what do? Do you have to set up a subscription for both and then skip one but not the other? I think that's how most people are doing it, but let me know how you guys do it. Because I don't think there is an option to just switch on your subscription, is there? Which would be lovely if you could do that. Lush, that would be very handy. But yeah, we've got the box finally. This box is adorable as well, by the way. Loving this. This is defo a keeper box. Love it. It says kitchen on the side. I did try to peel the label off, but it has taken some of the top off, so I have ruined the top a little bit, but never mind. Let's open it up and have a look what's inside. That's what's inside. Ooh. Smells top notch, I'm not gonna lie. So we've got the little card you get as usual. This is what I thought they had the issues with, I'm not too sure though. So it says fresh from the kitchen on the front with little bats on. It's freaking bats, man. And then it says take on the night. It says obliterate the cobwebs with the witch's ball and clear your mind with a bubbling brew of herbal reverie. If darkness falls over you, take to the bath and bask in a moon on a stick's floral brilliance with purple swirls of jasmine and ylang ylang to lighten up the mood. Screamo will wash away the day's grime with a sweet cherry-scented lather, while ectoplasm, slimy citrus ways keep you thriving in the land of the living. Lastly, embrace the Prince of Darkness for a wickedly sweet, earthy scent. I don't know how I'm going to feel about this box, I'm not going to lie. I am a bit worried that I'm not going to like some of it, but it's the aim of the game, isn't it? It's what we know what we're getting ourselves into when we get these. So yeah, you've got your little thing with all the products on there, and we have the box. I'm just going to dig in and grab something. So first thing I've got is the Screamo shower gel. Cute label, I like that a lot. So it says sweet cherry almond scented lathers will make you scream with delight. Beautiful. Let's give it a sniff. Loving the colour. It is just like, ooh, it's got a shimmer in there. It's black with shimmer. Love it. Oh, look at that. Pure black, like my soul. Ooh, nice. I'm going to put a bit in my hand like I do now. Love it. So I can't remember what I said smelled like cherry bakewells recently. I feel like it might have been the last kitchen box, the shower gel that was in there. I didn't actually end up keeping that one. But this definitely smells like cherry bakewells. Pure, authentic marzipan vibes. If you don't like marzipan, you might not be a fan of this. But I do like marzipan. So in here, we've got almond milk, benzoin resinoid, ylang ylang, almond, charcoal powder, carrageenan. I hate saying that word. Yeah, really nice though. I'm excited for that. That's nice, isn't it? Love it. Good start. Good start, people. Next up, we've got Woza. This guy. It's called Moon on a Stick Bath Bomb. Love it. Let's sniff it. Oh, how very, very floral. I'm confused. It's a bath bomb. Why is it on a stick? Surely should the bubble bar be on a stick? Never had a bath bomb on a stick. Okie dokie. So yes, very floral. You've got jasmine, neroli, ylang ylang. I mean, it is very floral, but it's also giving me like powdery vibes, sort of like a baby powder, but almost like a floral baby powder. It doesn't offend me, but it's not my favourite scent. But I mean, this is really cute. But is it on a stick so you can like pretend you're going to the... I don't know why it's on a stick. I don't know how I fully feel about this, but we'll give it a go. Why not? It's just reminding me of Friends when Ross accidentally pushes that little girl down the stairs and she can't go to space camp, and at the end they make space camp for her. And Joey, is it Joey or Chandler's there like, I'm an alien, I'm an alien. I don't know why it reminds me of that. I'm an alien! Next up, I've got the shower slime, which I'm very excited about because I haven't tried ectoplasm before. But I believe it was out a couple of years ago, was it? So this says, when you're feeling a bit disembodied, tangerine and grapefruit oils help you return to the land of the living. Beautiful. Colour on that. Love it. I love a good shower slime recently. I never used to be too sure whether I liked them or not because of the texture. But recently I just love them. Love them. Ooh. Look at that. Ooh. Oh, I love it. I'll get a bit out for you. I won't grab it like I usually do because I've got nails on and I don't want it to go all up my nails, but I'll do a little flick of it for you. Ooh. Love it. Ooh. So that one is gorgeous, right up my street. So in there you've got limonene, tangerine oil, grapefruit juice, tangerine juice, cubeba oil. So it is just a very citrusy. I find it to be lemony. You can smell like grapefruit in there though, you definitely can. Oh, it's really lovely. Oh, I love this. This is my fave so far. Next up, I've got the Witch's Ball Bubble Bar. Look at that galley, isn't she lovely? I love a little rustic bubble bar like this, you know, that it's just like a ball with like a stamp on or something, or some little bits of stuff. Just love it. Oh, that's nice. I seemed shocked. No, but it said grassy, and I can either go one way or the other with grassy scents. I'm either obsessed with it or I'm like, meh. But that's nice. Very grassy though. I feel like I can smell like rosemary or something in there. Oh, there is rosemary in there. So you've got, so on top there's dried currants, cranberries and star anise and clove. And then you've got in it peppermint oil, rosemary oil, sage oil, dried parsley, olibanum. That's really nice. It's really grassy, earthy, but those spices on the top really sort of get in there as well. God, that's so hard to describe. That's so beautiful. Just what I would imagine a witch bathing in, and I can't wait to do that too. Oh, I love it. It's so cute. Oh, I'm well happy with that one as well. Happy days. It's going good. It's going good, guys. Last up, we've got the Prince of Darkness Kitchen exclusive solid perfume. Again, this is in the new packaging. Obsessed with this packaging, Lush. Love it. Love the sleek black streamlined look. Especially excited for the candles as well. Can't wait for those candles to come out. Is anyone else like really buzzing? So excited. Pop her up. Just a little purpley black colour. I'm scared for this one, I don't know why. So it says in the front, indulge in the earthy delights of wickedly rich patchouli and herbal lavender. That might be nice, okay. It's nice. I mean, I don't know, I'm not a massive solid perfume user, and if I was, it probably wouldn't be a scent like this. This is very much like it says on the front, it's a bit of lavender. There is a hint of patchouli I can smell as well, but mainly sort of like a relaxing sort of lavender scent. So in here you've got, so you've got jojoba oil, castor oil, candelia wax, and then you've got limonene, labdanum resinoid, patchouli oil, benzoin resinoid, lavender oil. Yeah, so it's predominantly patchouli and lavender. That's nice, it is, but probably not going to keep that one, if I'm honest. It would just go to waste, you know. I don't want it to sit on my shelf wasting away when somebody could be enjoying it, so we probably won't keep that one. But 4 out of 5 products, yes. The top 3 for me are the shower gel, the bubble bar, and the ectoplasm. I'm not 100% sold on this guy, but I might try him out just to show you guys him, I guess, but I don't know, we'll see. Now I'm gonna have to keep a lookout on Vinted because I need that bat body butter from the shower box. I'm going to be stalking Vinted to try and find one, but I feel like that's people's most favourite thing out of that box. I don't think a lot of people will be selling it, which is quite sad, but hopefully I can find one for not too expensive because I need it. Yes, have you guys got your box? Have you finally received it? If so, what's your favourite thing out of it? I would love to know. My fave is defo the ectoplasm, but then I think this is second. I like it a lot. I didn't expect this to be second, but I'm liking the vibe. Oh, I just love Halloween, man. And my son's born on Halloween, isn't that just the best? It's like he knew. Love it. If you've made it this far into the video, thank you very much. If you're not subscribed, please do. That would make me extremely happy. We do loads of Lush videos around here, so if you like Lush, you should like these videos. I'm a smidge annoying, but other than that, yeah, I'm gonna go now. I feel like I haven't filmed in ages and I just want to sit and chat with you guys, but I do have to go. I love you all very much. Hope you have a wonderful day. Bye.